Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve problem on slope deflection method. So here our today's problem is slightly different from previous problem. So problem is analyze the frame as shown in figure where EI is constant, use slope deflection method. So here our figure is given a frame ABCD over this AB member 15 kN per meter UDL is at, its span is 5 meter. Then next BC over this BC member 30 kN point load is at, its total span is 5 meter. From B point to point load distance is 2.5 meter and from point load to C point distance is 2.5 meter. Then next over this BD member 15 kN point load is at, its span is total span is 4 meter. From D point to point load distance is 2 meter and from point load to B point distance is again 2 meter. A support is a fixed support, C support is a roller support and D support is a fixed support. So let's start the solution. So first step is to find out degree of kinematic indeterminacy, that is dKi. So dKi is equal to 2, that is theta B and theta C. That means unknown displacement is equal to theta B and theta C. And known displacement is equal to theta A equal to 0 and theta D equal to 0. Then next step number second, to find fixed end moment. So first take first member AB member. So fixed end moment for member AB is equal to over this AB member 15 kN per meter point load is at. So formula is here fixed end moment for AB equal to minus fixed end moment for member BA is equal to, formula is plus or minus WL square divided by 12. So here W is 15 multiplied by 5 square divided by 12. So answer is fixed end moment for member AB is equal to minus fixed end moment for member BA is equal to, answer is plus or minus 31.25 kilonewton meter. Then next member is BC member. So over this BC member 30 kN point load is at. So formula is here fixed end moment for member BC is equal to fixed end moment for member CB. Formula is WL by 8. So here 30 multiplied by 5 divided by 8. So answer is plus or minus 18.75 kilonewton meter. Then next last member BD member, over this BD member 15 kilonewton point load is at. So fixed end moment for member BD is equal to minus fixed end moment for member DB. Formula is WL by 8. So here 15 multiplied by length is 2 plus 2 is nothing but 4 divided by 8. So answer is 15 multiplied by 4 divided by 8 is nothing but 7.5 kilonewton meter. Okay, these are our fixed end moment. The next step number 3, So third step is to write slope deflection equation. So first take member AB. So fixed moment for member AB is equal to slope deflection equation for member AB is equal to fixed moment for member AB plus 4EI theta A divided by L plus 2EI theta B divided by L minus 6EI delta divided by L square. So here we know that value of theta A is equal to 0. So that's why this whole term is equal to 0 and delta term is also equal to 0. So remaining is we know that value of fixed moment for member EB is nothing but 31.25. So here 31.25 plus 2EI theta B divided by L. L is nothing but 5 meter. So 2 divided by 5 is nothing but 0.4 EI theta B. Okay. So this is our equation number first. The next member is slope deflection equation at member BA is equal to formula is fixed moment at member BA plus 2EI theta A divided by L plus 4EI theta B divided by L minus 6EI delta divided by L square. So here delta term is equal to 0 and theta A term is equal to 0. So remaining is, we know that value of fixed moment for member BA is equal to minus 31.25 plus 4EI theta B divided by 5 is nothing but 0.8 EI theta B. This is equation number second. Then next, slope deflection equation for member BC. So first, slope deflection equation for member BC is equal to, formula is fixed moment for member BC plus 4EI theta B divided by L. L is nothing but 5 meter plus 2EI theta C divided by L minus 6EI delta divided by L square. So here delta term is equal to 0. Then next, fixed moment for member BC is equal to here 18.75 plus 4 divided by 5 is nothing but 0.8 EI theta B plus here 2 EI theta C divided by 5 is nothing but 0.4 EI theta C. This is equation number third. Then next, slope deflection equation at member CB. Formula is fixed moment for member CB plus 2 EI theta B divided by length is 5 meter plus 4 EI theta C divided by 5 minus 6 EI delta divided by 5 square. So here delta term is equal to 0. So remaining is, we know that value of fixed moment for member CB is minus 18.75 plus 2 divided by 5 is nothing but 0.4 EI theta B plus 4 EI theta C divided by 5 is nothing but 0.8 EI theta C. This is equation number 4. After that, next member for BD member. So first, fixed moment for member BD is equal to formula is slope deflection equation for member BD is equal to slope deflection equation for member BD plus 4EI theta B divided by L. L is nothing but 5 meter, 4 meter plus 2EI theta D divided by 4 minus 6EI delta divided by 4 square. So here delta term is equal to 0 and theta D term is also equal to 0. So here remaining is, we know that value of fixed moment for member BD is 7.5, which is already solved in step number 2nd. So here 7.5 plus 4 divided by 4 EI theta B divided by 4 is nothing but 1 EI theta B. That is only EI theta B. This is equation number 5th. Then next, last member is slope deflection equation at member DB is equal to, formula is fixed moment for member DB plus 2EI theta B divided by L plus 4EI theta D divided by L minus 6EI delta divided by L square. So here delta term is equal to 0 and theta D term is equal to 0. So remaining is, we know that value of fixed moment for member DB is equal to minus 7.5 plus 2EI theta B divided by 4 is nothing but 0.5 EI theta B. This is equation number 6. After that, step number 4, apply equilibrium condition. So first, apply equilibrium condition at joint B. So here you can see here at point B 3 members is act, that is BA member, BC member and BD member. So here first equilibrium condition at joint B. So adding slope deflection equation at member BA plus BC plus BD is equal to 0. That is adding equation number second, third and fifth. So first, take first equation, slope deflection equation at member BA. You can see here equation number second is minus 31.25 plus 0.8 EI theta B, then plus third equation, that is slope deflection equation at member BC. Third equation is 18.75 plus 0.8 EI theta B plus 0.4 EI theta C. And then next, fifth number equation, that is slope deflection equation at member BD. So here plus 7.5 plus EI theta B is equal to 0. Then solve this equation. (2.6 EI theta B plus 0.4 EI theta C is equal to 5. This is equation number 7. Then next, apply equilibrium condition at joint C. So here at joint C only BC member is at. So here apply equilibrium condition at joint C, that is slope deflection equation at member CB is equal to 0. So CB equation is, that is 6th number equation, or 4th number equation, CB is equal to minus 18.75 plus 0.4 EI theta B plus 0.8 EI theta C is equal to 0. So solve this equation. Here 0.4 EI theta B plus 0.8 EI theta C is equal to this 18.75. This is equation number 8. Then next, by solving equation number 7 and 8, then we get values of theta B and theta C, that is unknown displacement. So here EI theta B is equal to minus 1.82 and EI theta C is equal to 24.35. These are our unknown displacement. The next step is step number 5. To find movement at end. So adding this theta B and theta C value in equation number 1 to 6, then we get end moments. So first, take first equation, that is fixing slope deflection equation at member AB is equal to, so here you can see here equation number first is 31.25 plus 0.4 EI theta B. So EI theta B value is minus 1.82. So here answer is end moment at member AB is equal to 30.52 kilonewton meter. Similarly for BC member and BD member. So here end moment at member BA is equal to minus 31.71 kilonewton meter. Then end moment at member B2C is equal to 27.03 kilonewton meter. Then C2B is equal to 0 kilonewton meter. And last member is end moment at member B2D is equal to 5.68 kilonewton meter. And last member is end moment at member D2B is equal to minus 8.41 kilonewton meter. Okay, these are our end moments. Then next, step number 6. Draw free body diagram and bending moment diagram. So free body diagram is, first draw given diagram. A, B, C and D member. So over this AB member 15 kilonewton per meter UDL is at, and over this BC member 30 kilonewton point load is at, total span is 5 meter, AB span is 5 meter. Then next B to D, here 15 kilonewton point load is at, total span is 4 meter. Okay. Then next put end moments in free body diagram. So first end moment at member AB is 30.52 positive. So that's why here we take anti-clockwise direction 30.52. Then next end moment at member BA is equal to minus 31.71. So here 31.71. Then next end moment at member BC is equal to plus 27.03. So this end moment is like that, 27.03. Then at point C end moment is 0. After that end moment at member B to D is equal to plus 5.68 and end moment at member D to B is 8.41 minus. So this is our free body diagram. Then from this free body diagram draw bending moment diagram. So here first take end moment point. So first end moment at member AB is 30.52. Then BA is equal to 31.71. So diagram is like that. Then end moment at member B to C is 27.03 and at C point is 0. After that this is A point, B point, C and last is D point. Next end moment at member B to D is 5.68 and D to B is 8.41. Then next bending moment diagram. Over this EB member 15 kilonewton point load is at. So formula is WL square divided by 8. So here W is 15 multiplied by 5 square divided by 8 is nothing but 46.88. So approximately here. So diagram is like that. Then next over this BC member 30 kilonewton point load is at. So formula is WL by 4. So here 30 multiplied by 5 divided by 4 is nothing but 37.5. And last over this BD member 15 kilonewton point load is at. Same formula is there, WL by 4. So here 15 multiplied by 4 divided by 4. So 4 get cancelled. So answer is 15. So approximately here. So this is our bending moment diagram. Bending moment diagram in kilonewton meter. Thank you.